Alright guys, so for today's video we're gonna do something different. I found some jazz samples that we're gonna sample into newjazz, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do newjazz to newjazz. I already downloaded the sample, but I'm gonna show you guys how to extract it. So we're gonna go to this website right here. It's called lalal.ai. We want to extract the piano, so we're gonna select piano here, and now we're just gonna load up our sample here. And with this website here, you can extract any stem from any song. So if you want the vocals, you can extract the vocals. If you want the piano, you can extract just the piano. If you want to extract the synthesizer, you can extract the synthesizer. You can extract the drums, bass, voice, electric guitar, acoustic guitar, strings, and wind. Basically any stem you could want from any song, from anything, you can get with this website here, lalal.ai. So we just extracted the piano, so this is what we have now. And then this is our stem without the piano. Tough. The piano is super clean. This is like the best stem separator there is. If you guys want to try it out, there's a link in the description. Also, if you refer a friend, both of you guys get 10 minutes added to your account. Make sure to check it out. All right, so now we have our stems in FL. First thing we have to do is find the BPM. I'm just gonna stretch this out. Should be something like this. All right, let's add these to the mixer. So click right here, and now we have our piano in the mixer. Just EQ it a little bit. Okay, so let's find the key. Go over here, let's add a piano. I'm sure it's C minor. Let's add a lead to this. We just want to pick out like a weird sound here. Okay, so let's set our scale to C minor. Let's go over here, scale highlighting, minor Aeolian, C. Maybe. The way I'm going about adding this lead is I'm just adding it in between the chords. I'm really trying to get that like bounce where like the keys hit and then like the lead goes, and then the keys hit and then the lead goes, kind of like in between. Let's just change out this lead. You want something weird. Ooh. Let's make this mono. Okay. Let's add some drums. Let's get some drums going. I'm gonna go to my new kit, Me and Me, which is gonna be out real soon. We're just gonna clap. Just get a simple clap going right here. Just hold shift, just drag it over. Let's turn up the velocity. So I'm gonna try this just basic bass right here. And I'm gonna go over here to the envelope, put the attack all the way down, put the release all the way down. And now whenever you let go, the 808 stops playing. Yeah. Check that out. Add some big crush to these keys right here. I'm gonna take out this strum and the keys here. Let's turn this off. And now if we hit P on our keyboard, it gives us a pencil tool. If we hit C, it gives us the cut tool. And hold shift and then you can cut on the line. So hit C, it gives you the cut tool. Let's cut it, hit P for the pencil tool. And now we have this. now we just gotta add a couple more 808s just to fill it in. So let's clone up this 808 here. We definitely need like that OG wow, you know, like a must, you know what I mean? You need this one. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Let's go back to our first 808. Let's slide this down. Yeah. Okay, now let's add some more basses. Let's get this one. Yeah. Ooh, we slide this down right here. Double click that. Add this little slide note right here. Yeah. Wait, real quick, let me save this up just in case, you know. All right, so let's bit crush this lead right here. I just want to make it more like crispy, you know. Yeah. Wait, let's add another 808, and then we're gonna add more melody. Yeah. Okay, let's get another lead. What we're looking for with these leads is we're just looking for weird sounds, and then we're filling in the pocket and really just trying to make it like as weird as possible. Just add this. Let's try a different sound. Now we need another lead. Maybe this. Like that, and then let's keep them longer. Pause, no diddy. Let's do counter snares and get some hats. Ooh, okay. Let's get an open hat. Or actually, snap. Ooh, okay. Turn this up. Let's change out that sound.
12 seconds later.
Yeah, okay, we're rocking with that. Let's take this, hold shift, drag it over. Okay, wait, we gotta fix some stuff. Okay, wait, let's mute up these 808s right here. Let's try to see what other percussion we can add. Let's just keep these hats super minimal, just because like the BPM is so fast that like. What if we just add like a roll right here? Let's take this. And then Command B. Let's get a kick in here. This is nuts. Command B, Option scroll wheel, put the velocity all the way up. Let's add all these sounds to the mixer. Let's do 15. Hit Shift Command L. I'm just gonna layer up this clap. Let's do this one here. Yeah. Yo, let's pitch this down. Okay, wait. You know what we can do? We can also do this. We can take this here, hold shift, drag it over, hold command and drag to select that, and then go over here to the mixer, hit this. Let's hit option R. So let's render this little bit right here. So now we have this part just rendered here. And let's go over here to Stretch Pro and let's try to format it an octave down. Okay, let's add it to the mixer. Wait, let's cut this out here too. What if we do 600 cents? Okay, let's get an open hat and then go over here, cut itself, and then let's add this note here. Go over here, let's put this velocity all the way down, and then we'll do this. We'll make it like slide here. Put this velocity all the way down. Go over here to open the playlist. Let's hit Shift Command L to connect everything, and then this note right here. Let's hit Shift and then Command down arrow. Double click this like that. Let's make it slide. Yeah. Then we add it right here too. Yeah, we add this perk over here too. We're just gonna add this one shot here, release all the way down just so it stops right away. We'll just probably have it right on the one. Okay, you know what? Let's just arrange this and then see. Maybe I'll add some more stuff, but I'm rocking with this, bro. This is crazy. Yeah, so my camera overheated, but I just decided just to add some vocals. Why not? So I just spit some bars, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, little shawty didn't even know. Yeah, little shawty keep it on the low. Yeah, little shawty didn't even know. Yeah, little shawty keep it on the low. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like. Also, make sure to go check out lalal.ai. If you guys like sampling, this is a great tool. So yeah, make sure to check it out. Also, they have a new referral program. If you guys refer a friend, both you guys will get 10 extra minutes for free. Make sure to check it out. Links in the description. Also, our free 5K kit is out now. So if you guys want to get it, links down below. If you guys want to get any of my kits, go check them out. Links in the description. Follow me on Instagram at proudmayze. Follow UNDERDOGS.OOO. And yeah, I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.